guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khalil, and in this video I will be showing you my top recommendation on places you must visit in San Diego. Those places that I visited on my own trip, I believe you should check them out. Enjoy the video and let me know what you guys think. Our first pick is the USS MidAir Museum. It's an aircraft carrier. It was formerly of the United States Navy. It was commissioned a week after the World War II, and it was the largest ship until 1955. It served for about 47 years, and it's now is sitting as a museum ship at the USS MidAir Museum in San Diego, California. The USS MidAir Museum is a great place to go to, especially if you have kids and a family to enjoy it with, and it takes about a couple hours to go through the whole site. Now, currently with the COVID-19 situation, the interior areas, some are closed down because of the social distancing. So what they're doing here, they give you a visual tour of the engine area and some other places in the ship.
But this is what you would have seen when you walked in here.
Very enjoyable place. I totally recommend it to visit, and the top deck is open. Even with COVID, you have a lot of stuff to see right here. My second pick would be Balboa Park. It's a very iconic place and you must visit if you go to San Diego, and it's just minutes away from downtown area. It's a very nice place. Especially if you enjoy art, that's the place you want to go to. Sadly, a lot of places inside are closed due to the COVID-19, but you can still go around or walk around with your family and take pictures and sit down and relax. When you visit this place, you can tell and experience the history. This place was built in 1868 and it's been taken care of very well. You come here, you're not gonna regret it. My next one on the list is Imperial Beach. This place is located about 20 minutes from downtown San Diego, especially if you like swimming and stuff, or you like seafood. There's a lot of seafood places by the beach in this area. Very nice place to come to, and is only 10 miles away from the Mexico border if you want to go to the Mexico side and enjoy some more seafood over there. My next pick would be the San Diego Seal Tour. By far, this is the best thing I have done in my trip. This tour, it takes about 90 minutes. It takes you around San Diego. They drive you around, and this bus is actually a boat as well. So you get to enjoy the streets of San Diego and the waters of San Diego. It's very enjoyable for kids and for adults, and this tour is very enjoyable, especially for kids. And they take you about 16 minutes on the water. You get to see some sea lions and other birds. It's very enjoyable. I would totally recommend this tour in San Diego area. Last pick is the Sunset Cliff Natural Park, which this place is one of the best scenery you would see in the San Diego area. I would totally recommend you come here, especially around sunset. This is the end of our video. If you found this video nice and you want to see more of this video, make sure to like and subscribe and leave in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.